Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. For today's video, I will be making some quick and easy breakfast beef steak. As you can see, I have served it with some baked fries. Have you tried this recipe before? If so, comment down below. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. This process is a very quick and easy process. All you have to do is remove your beef steak or any steak that you are using from the refrigerator, leave it to thaw for a few minutes, then get started with the washing and seasoning process. After the ice melted, I went ahead and washed this properly. And that is why the color changed from this to that. At this point, I will be moving on to the seasoning process. This is where you bring in your favorite seasonings, so you don't have to stick to these seasonings only. Here I have some complete seasoning, a pinch of salt, some black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some jerk marinade. When you're applying the seasonings, make sure you apply it on both sides so that it will soak properly. The seasoning process is one of the most important steps in this recipe, so make sure to put not too little or not too much seasoning on this. This is how it looks after being seasoned. I am now going to leave this to marinate for a few minutes. It is up to you to marinate this however long you want. If you have time on your hands, you can do this overnight. If not, give it 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. It depends on the time that you have. The next step is to put some oil in a heated pan. Make sure that the oil is well hot. Then put the beef steak pieces in. Now, however long this is cooked is dependent on you. If you like your steak well done like I do, then this will take a while. If not, you can remove it before it is well done. Also, make sure you pay attention to this. You don't want your steak to burn too much. At this point, you just want to continue to turn this until it is done. After continuously turning this, I see where the steak is completely done. You can remove this from your pot. This can be eaten as it is, but for this tutorial, I will be adding another step. So I want to make this into a garlic butter steak. I want the flavor to blend in with my steak. So here I am adding a little butter, onion and garlic, and a little piece of thyme. Then I will add my steak in, cover this to get the flavor, and then remove it. After getting all that flavor in, I am going to remove this from the pot and plate it. Now this is the finished product served with fries. If you haven't tried this recipe out, you definitely should. Your family will love it. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. See you in the next video. Until next time, bye!